Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Welcome children, I am Shereen from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take 3rd standard social science. This topic comes under the lesson family. If you like the video, click the like button and do subscribe the YouTube channel. Under family lesson, in today's class we are going to see about the outsiders, neighbors and budget system. These are the 3 topics we are going to cover in today's class. Apart from this, we are going to see about the unity and hospitality of our family. Outsiders. Outsiders are the one who are not belongs to our own family. Apart from our relations, many members will come to our house. Those peoples are called as outsiders. We will see the definition of outsiders. The person who not belongs to our family is called as outsiders. For example, outsiders can be called as strangers or else visitors. Apart from our relations who come and visit our house are called as outsiders. Some of the examples for outsiders are milk seller, vegetable vendors. Vegetable vendors are the ones who sells vegetables to us. And cylinder suppliers. These are the peoples who visit our house, but these are the peoples who are not our relations. So these are called as outsiders. One more time I am going to repeat. Outsiders are the persons who not belongs to our own family. They can be called as strangers or visitors. Some of the examples are milk sellers, vegetable vendors, cylinder suppliers. Next we are going to see about the neighbors. So neighbors is a person who lives nearby. The people who are living next to our house are called as our neighbors. Many families near our homes are called as neighbors. The families which are around you are called as our neighbors. They are not our relations. Relations are different from neighbors. And then keeping a good relationship with them to ensure our safety. For our safety, it is very important to be good with the neighbors. So this is about the neighbors. Neighbors are the persons who lives next to you or called our neighbors, and we have to be in a good relationship with them to ensure our safety. And neighbors are not our relations. Relations are related to our family members, whereas neighbors are the families which are living next to our houses are called as neighbors. Budget of the family. But creating a budget for a family is very important. Before going into the topic budget, we must know about the income and expenditure. Income means the amount of money which we received is called as income. The amount of money we receive. This can be your earnings or savings or else your salary. So the income is the amount of money that you receive as your salary or savings or as the earnings. And then expenditure. Expenditure is the amount of money you have spent. To buy a particular thing, you spend a money, that is called as expenditure. So for framing your budget, income and expenditure are very important. Income is the amount of money you received and expenditure is the amount of money you have spent. Now we are going to see about the budget system. Budget is the estimation of income and expenditure for a period of time. I have already told you what is income and what is expenditure. Income is the amount of money we have received and expenditure is the amount of money we have spent to buy a particular products. So, estimating, calculating the values of the income and the expenditure for a particular period of time is called as the budget. This period of time can be a weekly period or else a monthly period. Based on the family, they will create their own budgets. And this budget we have to spend according to our income. So while creating a budget, you have to create according to our income. And first thing, we have to fulfill our basic needs. In the previous lesson itself, we have learnt about basic needs. 3 things comes under the basic needs: food, shelter and clothing. We have to fulfill all these 3 things first and then we will move to the next. And this is called as the budget system. Estimating the income based on estimating the income and the expenditure for a period of time, and this should not exceed the income and we have to fulfill our basic needs. This is called as the budget system, and this budget should not exceed the income, because income is the amount of money that we have received. If this budget exceeds the income, economical problem will arise for the family. So, this budget should not exceed the income. And simplicity is the best policy to live a economical life. Simplicity, we have to live our life simple. We have to spend money according to our income. It should not exceed the income. And we have to cut off all the expenditure. This is about the budget of the family or budget system. Unity, the word unity means the state of being united is called as unity. Work together. This ensures the special value of the family. The next one is hospitality. Hospitality means receiving your guest. This hospitality is the best value among the Tamilians. So it is very important to receive your guest in a proper way. We will summarize the topic which we have learned today. We have learned about the outsiders, neighbors, budget system and unity, as well as the hospitality. First, outsiders. Outsiders are the persons who come to our house. They are not our relations. For example, vegetable vendors, milk sellers. And neighbors are the families which live near to our house are called as neighbors. There is a difference between our neighbors, outsiders and relations. Everyone must know the difference. And then we have learnt about the budget system. Under budget system, we have learned the income and expenditure. Income means the amount of money we receive as the savings or else salary or earnings, and expenditure is the amount of money that we have spent to buy a particular thing or a product. The budget system is the estimation of that income and expenditure for a period of time. This budget should not exceed the income. This is called as the budget system. And simplicity is very important to lead a very good economic life. Then unity. Unity means live together is called as a unity. Hospitality means receiving your guests, and it is the best policy among all our Tamilians. These are all the topics we have covered today. If you like the video, click the like button and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.